Hello, this is Damian. Today I'm going to share an item of ostomy bag, one piece with velcro closure. So we could see that this velcro closure, there are two plastic plates on each side of the closure. So this is used for rolling back to the velcro and then lock with the two wings. And so on this bag, two sides with non-woven bag lining. So this non-woven bag lining is water resistant, and with the active carbon of moon shape, there is the air outlet. So this side, the hydrocolloid plate of 6mm max cut, and under the gel layer there is a foam layer. So yeah, the foam layer is holding the gel layer, and around the plate there is a fixation ring of non-woven. We could see here. Yeah, actually we have two kinds of velcro closure. So one is with two little wings here, and the other is without wings. So two plastic, and just roll it back to the other part. Yep, look. This is used of wing. Look, yeah. That's it for this item.